Hello there, this is Jay Johnson with WindowPurchase.com. Welcome back to my channel. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. And if you found me on YouTube first, you can go directly to WindowPurchase.com where you can see over 200 educational videos. You can also see the 3 books I've written on windows and doors, 2 of which are still available on Amazon, Kindle, and Barnes & Noble. And I also have a consulting page. So if you need help beyond the videos and beyond the books, I have a consulting page. Give me a call. Anyway, this video today is going to be on what I would suggest looking for when you have different window and door companies out, because I want to shift your priorities a little bit and I want you to think about something. So this is going to have to be with when somebody comes out, one of the first things that I would look for, and you have to separate this in the presentation. Everybody comes out, they want to boast energy efficiency. Well, what does that even mean? Because every new window or door on the market claims they're energy efficient. So they can't possibly all be the same in efficiency, but they also cannot be the same in durability or warranty. Theoretically, in a perfect world, they could be the same for installation, but that's also unlikely. So you also have to know who's doing the installation. But the problem is, it doesn't really matter what the efficiency of a product is if it's not durable, because if it's not durable, you have no longevity. And if you're not going to have the durability and the longevity being built into the product, okay, then it's probably not going to come with a very good warranty as well. That's why video number 9 on my website, Get Warranties First, save yourself a lot of time otherwise wasted. That's my number 1 tip. Get warranties first, sit down and read through them. If you don't like the warranty, throw the company out, don't even have them out, don't waste your time. That's just common sense. But don't get so focused on the efficiency of the product that you're not learning about what the durability and longevity is of stuff like the framing system, the sealants, the spacers, and the weather stripping, the hardware, stuff like that. Because if it looks really good on paper for efficiency, but the components start to break down pretty quick year after year, then the efficiency it had on the label isn't going to maintain itself. So you really didn't buy all that efficient of a window because it couldn't last over time. And that's why a lot of companies don't separate a presentation on the durability, longevity, warranty, installation, and then energy efficiency. And if you remember on energy efficiency, there's a couple of companies that you should be getting ratings from. They're going to tell you more story about that window or the door. And a lot of companies that come in really don't even tell you where this stuff gets tested or certified to get those ratings. The problem with just getting the efficiency ratings is they don't teach you anything about longevity, durability, warranty, or proper installation. Anyway, I hope this video helps, but you need to shift your horizons a little bit and don't just focus too much on the energy efficiency. And the other one I'm going to throw in is some companies are really good at keeping you focused on their frame, what their frame's made out of. Oh, their frame, it's this, it's this, it's so wonderful. Okay, that's fine, even if it's true, but that's only 10% of the window. Don't get focused on 10% of the window. There's a whole 90% over here you need to be focusing on, okay? This is why I put up $15,000 to $20,000 over the last, well, since 2001, putting out books on windows and doors. If this was simple, I could have saved a whole lot of time and money because I got better things to do. Anyway, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'm Jay Johnson with WindowPurchase.com.